Are you ready?
We've made it to LA and we are staying here at the Rodeway, Firegate, Southwest. It's basic, but it will do us for the 2 weeks 3 here in LA. We'll start off with a bed. It's a memory foam bed and it's very squishy and very, very soft. Absolutely so comfortable. We've got a telephone, we've got quite a lot of USB ports and USB ports, plug sockets and light switches. There is a telephone. This room also comes with a microwave, so if we want to do any meals we can do that, and some storage space there. We've got a TV, we've got a coffee maker, we've got some cups, and we have a fridge so we can store some water there. More USBs over on that side. We've got hangers, we've got a luggage rack. It's only a short room tour because it's only a small room. It's not like the room that we did at the Holiday Inn last time. And here is the bathroom. We have products by Paya. I am not going to be using those products only because I'm having my hair done tomorrow and I'm going to be getting some special shampoo. That's your shower head. And then we've got a handle there. Standard size fog. And ample sink area, so you know, for $1,300 for 2 weeks here, I can't complain. And I'll show you some other facilities around the hotel as well. So this is the Rodway Hotel, guys. I'll quickly do a bed tour, bed test for you now. Alrighty, let's see what the bed's like, shall we? Ooh. You know, after a 11.5-hour flight, this is what I need right now. It's comfy, it's soft, it's perfect. Loves it. Thanks guys, I'll see you soon.